Hello, the Kenneth Apthorpe again with another new sound I have invented by myself with this weird sound inclusion for dramatic effect, movie sound effects number 2, I believe it is. Alright, for this sound effects you are going to need a hardcover book. And you're not going to clap or anything, obvious. What you're going to do is take it by the leaflets and see these little pages in between? You don't actually flip through them. You actually go ahead, put your mouth on between the pages and blow. Interesting sound, right? And you're probably wondering, what in the world could that go with? Well, if you slow it down a bit. Okay, so if you slow it down a bit, it will sound like this epic monster sound. And all it took is a book. Just listen to it. So, creativity. It's what inspires to write books. But sometimes you can use books for creativity. See what I did there? See what I did there? Tain't funny, Ricky. Yeah, I agree with you. I wasn't talking to anybody, I was just... I hope you've learned something in this video, because I've learned I talk to myself too much. Anyway, I'll see you in my next video.